traffic management can help in contributing to lowering carbon emissions. How essential do you think that initiative is for Bangladesh going forward, and can it make a difference?
Thank you. Yeah. As Menzies, Mr. John from Menzies also mentioned that he talked about the ground handling equipment green concept. Yeah, it is also one of the methods of offsetting the carbon, and we do appreciate that. And in regards to the air traffic management, is also one of the way of minimizing the carbon footprint in our atmosphere. And we strongly believe that in civil aviation administration, with the strong directives and great leadership of our Honorable Prime Minister Sheikh Hasina, we have given more attention on this issue to have a better management of the air traffic services, where we are inducting a new generation, fourth generation air traffic management system with the support from our friend from France. That is going to really augment our capability and also reduce this timing, air timing, better navigation and approach mechanism, what we call it performance-based navigation approaches. Those really reduces the carbon signature in the area, and it really helps creating a sustainable environment. So Bangladesh government, we really were working on it to improve upon our air traffic management system, which will enable to reaching towards the sustainable aviation ecosystem that we are looking forward. I'd like to also mention that in addition to that, it is in the air that we are talking about air traffic management. Also we are considering this point in the airport development. For example, that as we are constructing our new terminal 3, and we are aiming to increase our number of aircraft handling here. We had the capacity of 2 million passengers, where now we are targeting the 20 million passengers coming. So 20 million, we are expecting more number of aircraft to come. But that will create a ground congestion, not only the air congestion. Air congestion we are minimizing, we are with a better ATM system. But on the ground also we are incorporating additional taxi track, which will be connecting to our airport area. So facilitated more number of aircraft passing through this downtime. So this is also one of the concepts that we are considering, along with the concept that John described about on the ground handling side. There are a lot of equipment. If it is not a great concept, then it also goes against the concept of our sustainability. So we, Bangladesh Civil Aviation Authority, with the support of our government, we are really paying attention on the better ATM system.